In celebration of the 60th anniversary of the brand's first dive watch, Oris revamps its retro-inspired Divers 65 and renames it the Divers Date. With 6 decades of watch history behind it, Oris is very well known for its wide range of highly capable aquatic instruments. The formidable and decidedly modern Aquis collection took center stage for years until Oris stepped into the retro divers game with the Divers 65 in 2015. And to say it's been a hit would be an understatement. The Divers 65 pleased many people, bringing new clients to the world of Oris, as well as existing collectors and enthusiasts gravitating to the collection. Over time, many iterations have come and gone, including chronograph versions and bronze cases and bracelets. One thing's for sure though, Oris has not been shy when it comes to having some fun with it. Now, almost 10 years and countless versions later, it's time for the Divers 65 to receive a complete overhaul, including a new name, the Divers Date. And to learn what's new and what's been retained, I'll take you through all the details. Starting with the exterior, I'm happy to confirm the Divers Date retains the vintage proportions of the Divers 65. With a diameter of 39mm and a height of 12.10mm, it's only a touch smaller than the previous collection. The unidirectional rotating bezel has been re-engineered to offer more grip and rigidity, in part thanks to a new fluted profile. The bezel insert, always in black by the way, is now made of scratch-proof and fade-resistant ceramic. Also worth mentioning is the 200-meter water resistance, doubling that of the outgoing Divers 65. The Divers 65 has always been a perfect plaything for Oris when it comes to colours. Sure, classical black or deep blue never go out of style, but it's proven to be a very versatile watch. So to continue down that path, Oris launches the new Divers Date with 3 new dials: classic black, steel blue, or soft beige, with other colours likely to follow soon. The architecture of the dial has been slightly retouched as well. The hour markers now have a beveled edge, and the font for the script on the dial has been updated too. This new typeface is exclusive to the Divers Date series. The Oris Caliber 733 can be seen through the sapphire crystal caseback, now a standard feature in the collection. This automatic movement, based on the Sellita SW201, runs at a rate of 28,800 VPH and has a power reserve of 41 hours. The red lacquered rotor, an indication this movement is indeed outsourced by Oris, is signed with Swiss-made Oris and High Mech. The former Divers 65 range also featured the in-house Caliber 400, so we expect that to make an appearance in the new collection as well. The new Oris Divers Date is delivered with a black tropic-style rubber strap and a stainless steel riveted multi-link bracelet. The latter has a new design, with polished external edges and a quick change system to easily swap out one for the other. Priced at 2,450 Swiss francs, the new Divers Date is positioned on a similar level as the outgoing Divers 65 models, which is quite surprising really, considering the technical and aesthetical upgrades. It's available as of now at Oris dealers or through the brand's website. As always, for more reviews and information, check out monochromewatches.com. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to stay up to date with future content. I'll see you in the next one.